Example 2. The function f is twice differentiable on the interval negative infinity to positive infinity. The values of f at various points on the interval 0 to 20 are given in the table. Approximate the integration from 0 to 20 of this function f of x with respect to x using the trapezoid rule. We call the trapezoid. It has two parallel sides, that is A and B, and the width is delta x. So the area is 1/2 times the sum of the two parallel sides times the delta x. Between one x to another x, from x0 to x1, the delta x is 4 minus 0 or 4. From x1 to x2, the delta x is 7 minus 4, which is 3. From x2 to x3, the delta x is 5. Next one, x3 to x4, the delta x is 2. x4 to x5, delta x equals 4. x5 to x6, or to the last point, the delta x equals 2. From this, we can see different sides of the subinterval or the interval width is different from one to another. That means we have different forms of the trapezoids under the graph of this function. For example, the last one here, the last subinterval for x18 to x equals 20, the height of the function from the left, the height is 4, and the right side, the height is 20. That's from the trapezoid, and we're gonna find the area of this trapezoid using the formula. To approximate the integration from 0 to 20 of this function f of x with respect to x, as we see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 subintervals, gonna be 6 trapezoids. So T1 as the first trapezoid from the interval 0, 4, and T2 between the point x equals 4 to point 7, and then T3, T4, T5, and T6. T3 from 7 to 12, T4 from 12 to 14, T5 from 14 to 18, T6 from 18 to 20. The first trapezoid using the formula, which is 1/2 times the height of one side plus another height of the other side, or the sum of the function values, going to be 3 plus 0, multiplied by the delta x, which is 4. Plus, next one is 1/2 multiplied by the sum of the two functions, or the two sides are parallel, which is 0 and -2, plus multiplied by the width, which is 3, and the T3, which is 1/2, multiplied by the sum of the two parallel sides, which is -2 plus -1, multiplied by the width, which is 5, and plus for the T4 is 1/4 times the function height at 12, which is -1, plus the function height at 14, which is 2, multiplied by the delta x, which is 2, plus 1/2 the T5 between 14 and 18, the sum of the two functions value, which is 2 and 4, multiplied by the width, which is 4, and the last trapezoid from 18 to 20. So the area is 1/2 the sum of 4 and 7, and multiplied by the delta x, which is 2. All of them has a common factor 1/2. And then simplify the product with 3 and 4, that's 12. -2 and 3, that's -6. -3 and 5, that's -15. Positive 1 and 2, that's 2. 6 and 4 is 24. 11 and 2, that's 22. And simplify the numbers to get 19.5 as the approximate of the integration from 0 to 20 of this function using the table.